Awarding ceremony muna tayo, mga sir. Mythical 5, Defensive Player of the Season and the League MVP.
Saan?
Tingnan muna natin yun.
Mythical 5 from Team JD All-Star, Ishan Galo. From Team Dove, Mythical 5, Nike Balagtas.
Picture mo. Solo siya ulit. Solo. Tapos lahat sila mamaya.
Mythical 5 from Team Sigma, number 7, Riley Florinendo. Mythical 5 from Team El Rapidos, number 71, Yo Sevilla.
Picture mo isa solo. Edit na lang natin. Picture mo si Yo.
Mythical 5 from Team Sigma, number 33, Miggy Liao.
Picture mo muna si Miggy na. Picture mo.
At ang ating
Oo, lahat.
Defensive Player of the Season from Team Sigma, number 33, Miggy Liao.
Picture mo isa. Tapos picture mo lahat. Wait lang, isa pa.
At ang ating Season League MVP from El Rapidos, number 71, Yo Sevilla.
Picture mo lahat sila.